Normal range of testosterone in female. In female, normal testosterone level is 15 to 70 nanogram per deciliter. In male, normal testosterone level is 280 to 1100 nanogram per deciliter. If female have higher level of testosterone, it indicates she has the polycystic ovary syndrome and virilizing tumor. What is the normal level of troponin? Two types of troponin detect in our body. One is troponin T, another one is troponin I. Troponin T normal level is less than 0.5 nanogram per deciliter and troponin I normal level is less than 0.1 nanogram per deciliter. Troponin test is the most commonly ordered cardiobiomarker test to detect cardiac problem, especially MI. If troponin level elevated from that normal level, it indicates cardiac damage. Troponin level elevated within a few hours of heart damage and remain elevated for up to 2 weeks. Normal range of transferrin in our body. Normal transferrin level is 200 to 360 mg per deciliter. Transferrin is a blood plasma glycoprotein. It produced in liver and it plays a major role in transport of iron through blood to various body tissues, example liver, kidney, heart, those and all. Transferrin test carried out to detect the level of iron in the blood and the body's ability to transport iron in the blood, because transferrin is a very important protein to bind the iron particles and supply that iron to our body tissues. Higher level of transferrin indicate iron deficiency anemia. Lower level of transferrin indicate liver damage, kidney disease, infection and inflammation, malignancy, iron overload. Atransferrinemia, it means absence of transferrin in our body. It's a genetic disorder. In this condition, the person will have hemosiderosis in the heart and liver. It leads to heart and liver damage to the person. Hemosiderosis means excessive accumulation or deposition of iron in the body tissues because of atransferrinemia. Plasma infusion and purified apotransferrin infusion is the treatment of choice for atransferrinemia patients.